Well, the NDA government 3.0 is coming soon. The process is underway of government formation. NDA parliamentary party meeting will be held at 11 in the central hall of the Parliament House, where NDA MPs will elect Narendra Modi as their leader to head the coalition government. Narendra Modi will also be addressing them during the meeting. Now, apart from the newly elected MPs of NDA parties, Rajya Sabha MPs of the NDA constituents, chief ministers, deputy chief ministers of state, not just that, additionally, floor leaders of the Legislative Assembly and Council. And apart from that, we're given to understand that there are some invitees as well who are going to be taking part in this mega meeting. And in this meeting, in fact, the allies, all the leaders are going to give their support to Narendra Modi. Sources are saying that the allies are demanding one ministry each for every 4 MPs. That's the latest. This would mean TDP with 16 MPs wants 4. JDU with 12 seats is demanding 3 ministries, while Shiv Sena with 7 seats is demanding a ministry. JDU is keen on Ministry of Railways, but sources say in the changed circumstances, BJP will have to bow down to some of the demands. Big 4 ministries, although, will remain with the BJP. Which are these ministries? Defense, Finance, Home and Ministry of External Affairs will be retained by the BJP as per sources. BJP is also keen on Ministries of Infrastructure, Agriculture to be kept with itself. But sources also suggest that allies can be given the post of Minister of State in these important ministries like the Finance and Defense. This is the big inside scoop that we are getting on what the allies want.
सारे एमपी लोग को बोला गया है, सब लोग आ रहे हैं, सब लोग मिलेंगे, सारे लोग, सब लोगों से जो सलाह हो सकता है सब लोगों ने दिया है, उनको बताया है और बिहार की मजबूती के लिए और देश की मजबूती के लिए जो हो सकता है वो जनता दल यू मिलकर बीजेपी के साथ करेगी। बर्थ मांगने का काम तो कभी नीतीश कुमार जी ने किया नहीं, कभी वो इस तरह का गठबंधन के साथ कभी बार्गेनिंग तो करते नहीं है। जो हमारी प्रतिष्ठा है उस प्रतिष्ठा के हिसाब से सब जगह मिलेगा।
ये तो बहुत खुशी की बात है कि मोदी जी 3rd टाइम इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री बनने जा रहे हैं। मीटिंग है, इसके लिए हम आ रहे हैं। हमारे मुख्यमंत्री भी आज आ रहे हैं। हमारे सांसद श्रीपाद जी वो कल लास्ट मीटिंग की कैबिनेट की, इसके लिए आए थे वो दिल्ली में।
So while in front of the camera, these netas maintain that they don't practice such politics, and they do not have any demands. They are here to support the NDA and are looking forward to a strong government and good governance. But behind doors, the talks are about the ministries that the allies want. They have put forward their demands, and like many believe, BJP will have to bow down. But BJP will keep the key ministries. That's what our sources are telling us. A few moments to go for the key NDA parliamentary meeting. Allies have started arriving. Meanwhile, JDS Chief Kumaraswamy has assured support for the NDA. Listen in.
We are all with him. We are joining hand with NDA only. We have a lot of expectation. Not only myself, the entire country had a lot of expectation from Modi ji too about the development, several problems we had, it has to be solved.
So what demands can be asked by the alliance?
There is no demand. Stable government is required for the country. For that we are joining hand with it.
Sir, news is coming there. They are asking a lot of things. So what do you want to say on that?
Ultimately everything smoothly, everybody will agree.
And amid tussle over the ministries, TDP sources are telling your channel that the TDP is going to get 4 seats, 3 cabinet, 1 MOS, and Chandrababu Naidu is going to hold a key meeting tomorrow. The meeting will be over cabinet formation. So this is what the sources of TDP are telling us, that it's almost confirmed that TDP will get 4 seats, 3 of which are cabinet and 1 is MOS. And Chandrababu Naidu, remember, is coming to the national capital along with his MPs to show his support for the NDA. We have Akanksha joining us on the broadcast with more details. I believe leaders have started arriving for the mega meet. Also, reports coming in according to sources within the TDP that it's almost confirmed now. The TDP is getting 4 seats for 3 cabinet, 1 MOS. Akanksha, can you hear me?
Yes, absolutely. And also a crucial TDP meeting has also started in the national capital. All the 16 battalion of MPs that won the Lok Sabha elections are currently in the national capital. And at 50 Ashoka Road, that is the residence of a TDP leader, Chandrababu Naidu is there along with his 16 MPs. And just ahead of the mega second NDA meeting. This crucial meeting is currently going on, and as you also mentioned, it is now confirmed that TDP will get 4 seats, 3 cabinet and 1 MOS, and Chandrababu Naidu will be returning to Andhra Pradesh later in the evening. But currently at 50 Ashoka Road in the national capital, a very crucial meeting of the TDP leaders are underway ahead of the mega NDA meeting.
Right. Akanksha, stay on with us. We also have Imran joining us in the broadcast. Imran, I wouldn't say that the allies are calling the shots, but the allies definitely are ensuring that they get their due.
Well, absolutely. In fact, as part of the alliance support for the NDA, each party will definitely get their due what the share is. And as part of it, TDP, which is one of the main alliance partner in helping NDA to form the government here, is looking for 4 seats. And so TDP sources are confirmed that 4 seats have already been confirmed, as alliance partner Janasena, TDP and BJP together are getting 3 cabinets and 1 MOS is what TDP sources are informing us. They're saying that the deal is already finalized, and Chandrababu Naidu, who is there in the capital right now to attend the meet, and after that he'll be rushing back to Vijayawada today evening itself, and tomorrow there's an important crucial meet of cabinet ministers to be decided portfolios, and after that again he'll head back to Delhi for the swearing ceremony of the Prime Minister.
So that's a big update coming in. TDP sources saying that it is almost confirmed that TDP is going to get 3 berths, 3 cabinet and 1 MOS. Which are going to be these portfolios, Imran, needs to be tracked, because according to reports coming in, the BJP is going to keep key ministries with them. Now, it's quite possible that the MOS berth in the key ministries could be given to the allies.
Well, yes, that's still the struggle happening over the portfolios. The TDP is also, along with Janasena, is bidding hard for key cabinet portfolios. Agriculture, water resources, we're getting to know is one of the the TDP is keen on getting it as far as these issues are concerned. But they say that it's still under negotiation after the meeting with that Delhi. All this will be finalized, but they are sure that they'll get 3 cabinet ministers and 1 MOS is what they confirmed.
Imran, thank you for getting us the details. So on one hand, in the NDA camp, you have negotiations going on, sources suggesting that the allies are putting forward their list of demands. On the other hand, as far as the INDI bloc is concerned, the INDI bloc is watching from a distance, and the INDI leaders are saying they'll make a move when the time is appropriate.
मोदी जी बहुत बड़े नेता है, विश्व के नेता है। हम छोटे लोग हैं बहुत, उनके सामने इतने हम छोटे लोग हैं। वो तो विश्व गुरु है ना, वो तो देवपुत्र है, काशी पुत्र है। तो अगर उनके पास बहुमत भी नहीं है तो भी उनको अधिकार है सरकार बनाने का। राष्ट्रपति महोदय उनके है तो उनको सरकार बनाने दो। जैसे कोई बुजुर्ग होता है तो हम बोलते पहले आप भाई, पहले आप, तो पहले आप मोदी जी बना